I'm going to introduce you to a very useful tool that we use here in the nursery, and it's this. It's a very simple way of making sure that your nursery pots, your seedlings, your cuttings and anything that you're trying to propagate stays moist. It's a constant humidifying unit, and it's very simple. It's just a little stainless steel patch here that gets wet and the weight takes it down, and when it dries it comes back up again. It's a little pivot here, and it's got a counterbalance that you can adjust so the water can come on quicker or slower depending on this little weight. This is how it works. There's an electrical connection. It has to be just 9 volts or 12 volts, it'll work fine. It's not a high voltage, nothing dangerous. Inside here, there's a little unit that's got a little ball bearing in it. And when it tips, the ball bearing cuts off the electricity. When the electricity cuts off, it actually shuts the solenoid on the irrigation system and shuts the irrigation off. So when it's up like this, the irrigation comes on. When the irrigation makes this heavy with water, it goes down. The little ball bearing in here, in this little gadget here, cuts off the electricity, that shuts the solenoid, and the irrigation stops. So nothing can dry out because this moderates dry, wet, dry, wet. There's a little spirit level in here so that you can sit it level. So you need it sitting level on your nursery bench. Low voltage connection, little adjuster of a weight, everything else is automated. Wonderful way of making sure that your nursery keeps working.